Hi everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you the best export settings for graphs in OriginPro, so your visuals look clean, sharp, and professional, perfect for papers, presentations, or reports. Here I've already created a sample graph, and now let's walk through how to export it with high quality. First, click on the File menu at the top. Then go down to Export Graphs. Advanced. Now select Open Dialog. Once the export dialog appears, you'll have multiple file format options. Let's walk through the process for exporting in the first format, and then I'll show you how to apply the same steps to other formats. For exporting graphs, there are a few commonly used formats that work well for different needs. EPS, Encapsulated PostScript, best for vector graphics, especially if you want to preserve the sharpness of your lines and text for high-quality prints or publications. This is often preferred for academic papers or reports where scalability and crispness are important. TIFF, Tagged Image File Format. Great for raster images, especially when you need high resolution for publications or posters. TIFF can store very high-quality images, making it perfect for detailed images with lots of color depth. PDF, Portable Document Format. Useful when you need to share your graph in a universal format that can be easily viewed on any device. PDF preserves both vector and raster elements, making it a versatile choice for many uses. Now, when exporting your graph, make sure to adjust the DPI dots per inch resolution based on your needs. 300 DPI is typically used for high-quality prints and is the standard for most publications. This will ensure that the graph appears crisp and clear in printed materials. 600 DPI or higher is great if you're exporting highly detailed graphs or if you're working with intricate patterns and text that need to be sharp and clear. For on-screen viewing or casual presentations, 72 dp might be sufficient, but for anything that will be printed, I highly recommend going with at least 300 DPI. Once you've decided on the file format and DPI resolution, hit OK to export your graph. This process is exactly the same for other export formats, like PDF or EPS. Just choose your preferred type from the Image Type dropdown, set the DPI resolution as needed, and you're ready to go. Here's the result using the EPS export option. You can see how sharp and professional the graph looks. Test out these formats to see what works best for your needs. And if you're submitting to a journal, double-check their format requirements. If you found this helpful, give the video a like and subscribe for more OriginPro tutorials and tips. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.